I'll switch to 2.4 gig. This will be easier to see. I'll just let it build up. In 2.4 gig, what we have, what have we got? 14 channels, okay? Are you aware that there's really only 3 channels for most parts of the world that you can use? Channel 1, 6 and 11. Do you know why that is? Can someone tell me why we use 1, 6 and 11 and not 1, 2, 3, 4?
Non-overlapping.
What does that mean, non-overlapping?
Because the whole channel is just like curves. Actually spans across, not just
Yeah, it's not so much the curve. The thing is, with like OFDM, we want, let's say channel 6 is here. And our 802.11n now we're talking, let's just assume it's 20 megs wide. There's only 5 megahertz space between the channels. So from 6 to 7 is only 5 megahertz, but we're going to use 20. Okay, so from 6 we need a lot. So if you had something on channel 7, it would be effectively over the same area. Now, what I'll do is I'll ping that terminal again. Now, you see that's changing dramatically. The level hasn't changed, the height has not changed, because the power of the access point or the client, what we're seeing, has not changed at all. It's still transmitting the same power. But what it's doing now is it's being on more often. Okay? I'm using that network heavily, and you can really see that over time. This really is that over time. Okay? Is that? So straight away there, I have no controller, I'm not looking at any MAC addresses, but you can tell straight away that we're using channel 11 in here and that someone is using it a lot. Is that understandable? Like if I stop the ping, if I stop that ping, this is the average of that window, by the way, but you can see that now it's just gone back to background activity, you know, some light usage, beacons, background stuff, nothing dramatic, okay? So you can tell when someone did a lot of data transfer. But one thing you'll notice, especially when that disappears, the level of this won't change. It's still the same level. Okay, the power that we're using is still the same, it's just not using it as much.